Today, we'll show you how to test your Durian ESP32 using a single test script. First, download Arduino IDE from Google. Just follow along with this setup guide. Click Finish to wrap up the installation. Open the board's manager. Search for S32 and install the version by Espressive Systems. Now, let's install the library required for this code. Search for Adafruit NeoPixel. Install the first result. Head over to Google again and search the H341SER. Download this driver so your Arduino IDE can detect the COM port. Install the driver. Next, search for MyBotic on Google. This is where you can download the code. Search Durian ESP32 on the search bar. Click on Durian ESP32 V2 product link. Scroll to the bottom of the product page. Click on the Durian ESP32 V2 motor test attachment. Download the file. Click OK and it'll automatically create a folder for the code. Before uploading, check your jumper pins against this picture. Turn on all switches, but keep the main switch off for now. Now we're ready to upload the code and test the board. Open the code file you just downloaded. Connect Type-C cable to the UART port. And turn on the main switch on the side. Follow the upload process shown here. Your COM port may not be the same as mine. Just select the one that appears. After configuring the tools, upload the code. Hit the yellow button to start testing. If the RGB, USB and for motor LEDs light up, followed by a buzzer sound, your board is in perfect condition.